This video explains the process of configuring and automating the report that will be transferred from Intelligent Logistics to the SFTP or S3 destination system. This video assumes that an SFTP or S3 destination has already been configured using the Manage Destination app as described in this knowledge article's previous section. The first step in configuring an automated cloud export report is to select the appropriate application from the Data Export section. Sending cloud exports can only be accomplished from the Data Exports apps. We'll be sending a daily report of packages that were delivered yesterday. As such, we'll select the Tracking Units Export app. It's important to note that billing data can also be reported on and exported in the Invoice Items Export app and the Invoice Charges Export app. Inside the app, we'll use our filters to narrow in our data set. When we hit go, our data set will appear and we can select from 3 pre-formatted reporting table structures: summary, regular, and complete. Or we can select a custom option to create our own table structure and data layout. I'll select custom. We can add, subtract, and reorganize our data structure by selecting the settings option. From here, a list of all available data elements appears. I'll reduce and remove additional package reference data that I don't need, and I'd like to add the build account to this report. From here, I can reorganize the table structure by simply dragging and dropping the data elements. When we're satisfied with the data structure, we simply save our view. Finally, we can schedule our automated cloud export by selecting the Export Data dropdown and Transfer List. For those who have scheduled automated email reports in the past, this process will look extremely familiar. Within the Transfer List pop-up, we'll select the destination system where we want our files to be sent. We select the file type, either Excel or CSV, and optionally we can select a file prefix or a file extension. I'll scroll down and we'll select the Create Schedule button. And we will input an export name, the frequency in which we want this report to be exported. We're setting this to daily, so we'll set this to 24 hours, and the start date and time. I'd like to receive this report tomorrow starting at 8 a.m. The updated during field should be configured to mirror that of the report's export frequency. For example, since I'm running a daily report, I'll set the update during value to last 24 hours. If I was scheduling a weekly billing report, I would set the update during value to the last 7 days. I hit save. Our report will be saved and ready to export. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to your customer success specialist for assistance.